We're live. Happy New Year, guys. Eddie, go like this, but not too loud. Not too loud. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Happy New Year, guys. We wish you a very happy New Year. Thank you for 2024. Thank you for all of your support in 2024. So Kuya, can you come here? They cannot see you. So welcome and welcome to 2025. Okay, hang on. Let's first go live first. So welcome 2025 from the BethCherian.com family. Again, we just want to thank everyone for all of your support. We had a great year. As far as our digital business, I have to tally everything, all of the checks we receive per month, and then for the year. Definitely, I have a feeling that 2025 will be really the best year ever. And the reason I say that is because, so many things, right? That so many things that we are excited about. Kuya, what do you want to share about 2024 and what are you looking forward to in
I
2025?
got Division 1 basketball, and I'm excited for playing in.
Can you speak a little louder?
So I got Division 1 basketball after
Mhm.
tryouts, and I'm excited to play in D1 this year.
Cool. So he enjoys basketball so much, right,
Mhm.
Kuya?
Yeah, because last AAU season, my foot got injured, so I couldn't play the whole season. But then this season, I'm gonna play.
Anak, can you lower the volume, anak, because we are trying to go live, Eddie. See? And then, Ate, how about you? In 2024, what is your highlight of 2024, Ate?
I'm definitely getting my ears pierced.
And that's why I also have
second.
that's why I have 3. You guys see that? Because this one wanted 2 piercing, so that's the 2. We got that together. And then that's why I have this one. This one is, my ear from my piercing even from before. And then what are you looking forward to in 2025?
Um, getting my 4th.
What? Getting your 4th?
Yeah.
So you're gonna get 2 this year? I don't think so. Okay, watch it. I don't think so. I don't think mommy will allow that anymore. And then, hi, Eddie, how about you? Eddie, can you please share with us what is your favorite in 2024? Eddie, what's your favorite last year?
20,000.
20,000 what? What's 20,000? Here, tell
I
them.
don't know.
What are you excited about this year?
I don't know.
What? You're not excited about anything? Huh? Okay. So the month of December, we want to show them our checks, right? So for the month of December, Ate, can you tell them how much checks we have for the month of December?
Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
25.
We got 20 big fat juicy checks. We got 20.
So these are our checks from December.
Fat.
And we actually received 2 yesterday that we haven't deposited yet. And what's amazing about those 2 checks is they're surprise checks. Usually,
Wait, when you say yesterday, do you mean like a few hours ago yesterday, or like 2 days ago now?
good question. It was Monday.
Yeah, so that's
So no longer yesterday, right? Because it's not last night anymore. It's morning now. So Monday we received, because usually I have an idea of the checks that are coming, but it's the surprise ones, the bonus ones that are extra special because I don't know about those, right? So those are these ones, 26, 26. Yeah, so it's these ones that my daughter got from the other day. These ones. Eddie got them. Oh yeah, Monday. So December 26. I hope you guys can see that. December 26, December 26. I did open them and a nice surprise. What a nice surprise. And then for the month of December, so, it's helping us so much. And this is the reason why I feel like it's going to be a great year because I've been doing the digital business for 2 years now. And, a lot of learning. Oh, yeah, almost. My son says, can I go now?
knee slapper. So
So,
I think I'm gonna bet all of you guys.
What does that mean? Okay. What was I saying?
You guys out.
Okay. So this is the reason why I say that I feel like 2025 is the best year ever. At least yet, right? We always want things to be the best year ever. So because we've been doing the business for 2 years now, and we learned so much in the 2 years, and then now I can really focus on growth because I feel like, okay, I've learned as much as I can from this. Although it's learning all year round learning type of thing, because technology changes, all the social media platforms and their different rules and algorithms and all that, it always changes. But for the most part, I feel like, okay, I've learned what I needed to learn as far as the digital business, how it works, how to structure my business properly for to maximize growth, commissions and all of that. So I'm very excited about 2025. If you want a different 2025, if you want 2025 to be the best year for your family as well, please contact us. We're very much happy to help about our online business. Of course, money is not everything. Of course, money doesn't make you happy, but it for sure makes life easier. At least that's what I believe. And in some ways, in a lot of ways, it makes things happy too. At the end of the day, you have to be at peace with yourself. You have to be at peace with God. You have to be at peace with the things that you believe for you to have the best life ever. But it's not it why not, right? If you can have financial blessings with it as well, so why not? So I hope that helps, guys. Again, from the bethcherian.com family, we want to wish you guys a very happy new year. 2025 will be great. And yeah, we can't wait for all the blessings to unfold for our family. And we want to share the blessings with you, with everyone watching this, those of you who will be watching this on a replay. So we just want to um, wish everyone a very happy new year. So we're
Happy
gonna go to
New
sleep
Year!
now. Good,
I thought we're gonna have
good
a movie night.
good morning, everyone. See, my children are such troopers because I wanted to do this live even before we rest, and they are being very patient with me because for the most part, this is our family business. So come on, ate. You just take one last picture. So bye, guys. Thank you for all of your support. We wish you guys again a great new year. Bye, everybody. Say bye bye now.
Bye bye.
Bye. All tired and sleep. Okay.
Hey, remember when you forgot your shoes in the car? That was so embarrassing.
Yeah.